How many times do I have to tell you, son? You have 10 minutes to get to this car when the school bell rings, or you're gonna take the bus home. What happened to your face?
I don't know what you're getting all worked up over, okay? Look, if you want to know, our son won the fight. That's just a scratch on his face. They're kids? Honey, look, it doesn't matter if he's in the 8th grade or kindergarten, okay? A win is a win. Assault. Well, look, son, I guess your mother has a point on that one, okay? Next time you get in a fight with somebody, maybe don't use the side of your skateboard that has the wheels on it, okay? Use the... Honey, look, okay, fine. We're gonna go and apologize to the kid, okay? Jesus.
And don't you ever get in another fight again at school, son, or you're gonna be grounded forever. Okay, I think your mother should be gone. So you really did win the fight, son? Oh, my boy, you're just like your old man when I used to be in the... Oh, well, you know, back in the day. But anyways, after you hit him with the skateboard, you put him in the headlock? Oh, yeah, my boy, we've been working on that one, huh? No, we're not gonna go apologize. Apologizing for sissy, son. Uh-huh. If anything, you deserve a celebration.
All right.
Hey, nothing says winner like a hot fudge sundae, huh? All right? Hey, son. I was gonna ask you, this kid you got in a fight with, what does his dad look like? Yeah, just in case I need to come out of retirement. He's Samoan?